We are doing the second question of exercise 11.2. It is to construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeters from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeters and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. So understand the question. We need to make two concentric circles, and from a point of the outer circle I need to draw the tangent to the inner circle. So let me draw two concentric circles with radius 4 centimeters and 6 centimeters. This is a circle of radius 4 centimeters. This is the center O. I make the second circle with the radius 6 centimeters. So I take the radius as 6 centimeters, and with the same center I draw another circle of radius 6 centimeters. Now from a point of this second circle I need to construct the tangent to the inner circle. So what I do is, after drawing the circle, I take a point P on the circle of radius 6 centimeters such that OP is equal to 6 centimeters. So I take this point as P and I join OP. Okay, and I bisect this now. I will construct the perpendicular bisector of OP. So what is the procedure? I take the radius more than half of OP and I make an arc on this side, and with the same radius I make an arc on this side. I do not change the radius and I put the compass needle at point O and I just cut these arcs. Wherever these arcs are cutting, I join them. So this is the perpendicular bisector. Now wherever this perpendicular bisector is meeting the line segment OP, I mark that as point M. With M as center and radius equal to MO or MP. See, MO and MP are both equal because this is the perpendicular bisector. So OM is equal to MP. M is the midpoint. So if I take the radius as MO or I take the radius as MP, I construct a circle. This circle will surely pass through P as well as through O. Now wherever this circle is intersecting the previous circle of radius 4 centimeters, I mark those points as Q and R. If I join PQ and I join PR, I will be getting the required tangents. So let us do that. So I have got the required tangents as PQ and PR. So this is the construction done. Let us just revise the steps. The first step was that we have drawn two concentric circles of radius 4 centimeter and 6 centimeters respectively and marked their center as point O. Then we took the point P on the circle with a larger radius 6 centimeters such that OP is equal to 6 centimeters. After that we joined OP and bisected it by drawing the perpendicular bisector. If taking M as the midpoint of PO, I drew a circle with M as center and radius equal to MO. Wherever this perpendicular bisector intersected the circle drawn, mark them as point Q and R. Join PQ and PR to get the required tangents. Now we need to measure the two tangents now. This is coming out to be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4.5, approximately 4.5 centimeters. This side also I can see it is coming out to be same as 4.5 centimeters. Now let us try to justify it. If I take this triangle OPQ, OQ is the radius and PQ is the tangent. So this angle between OQ and PQ will be 90 degrees. So OQ square plus PQ square is equal to OP square by the Pythagoras theorem. So 4 square plus PQ square will be equal to 6 square. So PQ square will be equal to 36 minus 16 is equal to 20. So PQ should come out to be under root 20 centimeters. Root 20 is how much? It is equal to 4.47 approximately, and we were getting the length as how much? Approximately 4.5 centimeters. So our justification is correct. We have got the length PQ is equal to 4.5 centimeters approximately. Writing of the answer statement is very important. So I have written here also PQ or PR is the required tangent and PQ is equal to 4.5 centimeters. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you so much.